Good morning, everyone. This is Dave, and I'm going to be walking you through our new setup on Titanium for Road Trip Nation. Hopefully, what I've been able to do by consolidating everything is to make this process a lot easier for both you and for me. So up top, we have our normal material. We'll have our Module 2, and then I'll talk about Signature Project 3 in a later video. But I want to talk about Signature Project 4 here, and this is Road Trip Nation. And once again, I've consolidated everything to this one page. So this is your go-to section for Road Trip Nation. Up top, stuff that we've done already is setting up our account. I've also put all the general links here. So if you wanted to watch, for instance, the Road Trip Nation videos again, I have that link for you. Our direct site for Cal State Fullerton, and even the Road Trip Nation site on Instagram. Finding someone to interview, this is our LinkedIn and Titan Pro networks, all the information that will help you use those programs, but also do not discount anything like Instagram or Facebook, or even a general Google search would be completely fine to help find an alumni to interview for this project. Once you do find that alumni, you have a pre-interview checklist to read over and also a list of go-to questions. Both of those you will download and read through. There are a series of general questions that you are going to ask the person you're interviewing, and then it also asks toward the bottom, I think it's the bottom of page 4, of you guys in the group coming up with your own series of questions that you're interested in. So it should not be 100% the prefabricated questions. It should have some questions that you want to know personally that are not asked in the packet. And then finally, what do you need to do to complete this project? Well, that's to create the leadership profile. Once again, I've got a PDF that you can download to read through how to do this. And then also Jockson's Road Trip Nation submission from last year. Definitely look at that even before you do the interview itself, because this will really help focus in on the material you're going to be uploading. It's always a good idea, of course, to record the interview, whether it is a Zoom recording or just a recording on your phone, just to have that as notes to go back to during the time where you're uploading the leadership profile. And you should also be taking handwritten notes during the time of asking questions of the person you're interviewing. Finally, how do you submit this project? You're going to submit the link right here, and you will submit both the link and a list of people who are in your group. And each person in your group will submit that same material. So it's something you will share amongst yourselves, and you can just upload a Word or a PDF document. So I should normally have maybe 3 or 4 names on a piece of paper. Here's our link, and each of you will upload that to your own specific grade book, so I can give you a grade for that. And that's all you have to do for Project 4.